Okay, so real quick, I'm going to go over how to find the maximum and or minimum of a function such as y equals x cubed. So let me open my Smart View real quick. So here's the problem right here. You're going to go to y equals. We're going to want to clear everything out of our y equals screen. And I'm going to plot the function. So it's going to be x cubed minus 3x. Hit graph. We see the graph right there. Alright, so we need to find where the maximum and minimum point. If you see right here, this is going to be where the maximum is up here. So to find the maximum, we hit second trace, and we're looking for a maximum. Now it says left bound, so if we see this maximum looks like it's around at x equals -1, but we're not sure it's exactly at -1, so that's what we're trying to figure out. We need to pick an x value to the left of this point. So we're going to pick an x value to the left of -1, so how about -3? And as you can see up here, there is an arrow that's kind of showing us where we picked, and we are to the left of that maximum. Now we need to pick, it says right bound, so we need to pick a point to the right of this maximum. So a point to the right would be, I don't know, how about 1? So we hit 1, we hit enter, and as you can see where these two arrows are, we have a window where our maximum is. So when it says guess, we hit enter one more time, and we can see the maximum is -0.9999989. That's pretty much -1, right? And the y value is 2. So to answer the question, we would say the minimum is, and what is that, or I'm sorry, we're doing a maximum here. So the maximum is 2 at x equals -1. Now we've got to do a similar process. The minimum is down here, so we're going to hit second trace minimum. So I pick 3. We want to pick a minimum to the left, which we want to pick a point to the left of that minimum. So here's the minimum. We're going to go to the left, and x value to the left would be 0. And x value to the right of this minimum would be, I don't know, 4. You see again, we've got our window, and our minimum is in there. So we hit enter one more time, and we see the minimum is 0.9999946. That's pretty much 1. Okay, I do want you guys to round up. So the minimum is, it's always a y value, -2 at x equals 1. So I hope this helps.